Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a quick look at the new accessories from Minix, which are compatible with Windows 10, iOS and Mac OS. And it's almost time to get back to school, so probably one of these accessories will be very useful for your setup. Minix is a brand that I've been using since 2013, more or less, and it's really great to see that Minix started with some Android TV boxes and media players and things like that, but for the past several years they've been developing these kind of accessories for Mac, Windows and iPad machines, and they are getting better and better. And if you want to know a little bit more about some other devices, I will leave some links right over here on the YouTube card so that you guys can check it out. Now, the first one is an improved version of the hub USB Type-C multi-port adapter model NeoCG. Well, doesn't matter, but what it has is a really interesting interface. Besides USB Type-C for charging, it also has HDMI 4K 60 Hz output to USB 3.0, gigabit Ethernet, an SD card reader and a micro SD card reader. So a really simple and well-designed build quality is just great. Looks like a Mac build quality or iPad build quality. I'm not going to talk about Windows because there are some really good machines, but there are not so good machines. But as I said in the past, you put it next to a MacBook Pro, for example, and it looks like it was made for it. Actually, it was made for it. Now, the second accessory is this one right over here, which is the NeoStorage Plus. Now, this is a USB hub, but as an integrated 480 SSD inside, which is really awesome, because if we are using storage, then we can, instead of plugging in another drive, make use of the 480 SSD storage inside. And I think there is a version of 960, but I'm not really sure. I will leave some links down below so that you guys can check it out. In terms of ports, we will find the Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet right over here, and HDMI 4K at 60 Hz to USB 3.0, and then the USB Type-C for power delivery. Now, the cable in this particular case is detachable, so we can use any other cable, longer, smaller, whatever we need. And it also comes with a small, nice pouch right over here that we can use it to put the adapter and also the cable. So this is a really interesting piece. And of course, if you're looking for something that, besides having all the ports that you need, it also has storage, and this is really nice. We have seen some other devices, and I will leave some links right over here, one of which was the integrated storage for the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, but this one, instead of being using just for that kind of laptop, can be used for Windows machines and iPad Pro machines, which is just awesome. And then lastly, there is this 100 watts charger, which is great. It will, as you can see by some images right over there, charge up to 100 watts on the USB Type-C ports, and it will charge up to 18 watts on the USB-A with quick charge 3.0. In terms of the sockets, it will come as default with the US socket, but we can put the European Union or the UK sockets. So it's just great, and it charges really fast. Doesn't matter if it's a laptop or if it's your phone or if it's your tablet, then it's just another of those great accessories that we will eventually need to take to school to be at home and charge MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and phone, tablet, whatever. And it also comes with two pouches, really interesting and nice, so that we can put the adapter and also the sockets for European Union and UK. And guys, basically this is it. These are the new adapters from Minix. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.